In this video, I am going to show you how to make your video smooth in Capcut PC. So first of all, on your Capcut PC application, you have to make sure that your video is not selected. For example, if your video is selected, you will see a white box like this around your video. So you have to simply click on the timeline at a place where the video is not located. Then you will see the option that says modify on the right side of your screen. So you have to click on that. In modify, first of all you will see the page that says details. From here you have to make sure that you don't change anything as it can tamper with your video's quality. After that you have to click on performance. In performance, you will see an option that says proxy, so you have to turn this on. Then resolution option will appear in front of you. So from here, you have to select the lowest resolution possible, then click on save. By doing this, you are not affecting your video's output quality, but rather than that, you will be changing its input quality. But when your video will be completed and you will export it in your system, your video quality will still be of 1080 pixels. So everyone, that's how you can make your video smooth in CapCut PC. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.